Today, in our Caring for Seniors series, we're speaking about how to prepare for hospitalization of your loved one with Nurse Jackie Hickey of Bayshore Home Health. So Nurse Jackie, your loved one has to go into the hospital. Are there steps we can do to prepare for this?
There absolutely is. Preparing, having a plan is going to help in that situation, because we know that there are potential times when people go into crisis and go into hospital. So how do we prepare for that? How do we plan? We need to really sit down. As a family, we need to sit down and we need to have the conversation. And sometimes it's hard to have that conversation, and even to bring family together, and everybody needs to be involved. And number one is determining what our loved ones' wishes are. Because when the crisis happens, they may not be able to express that. So by knowing that in advance, it's going to help, and it's going to alleviate the stress and the anxiety that happens with hospitalization and crisis. Things like power of attorney for care. If there's many siblings or many family members, who's the decision maker? Again, a big stressor. And you know, looking at once somebody goes into hospital, what happens with their home? Who pays the bills? What about pets? What about friends? What about family? What about that means of communication? How do we, you know, spread the word? And how do we make those plans come into action?
Really, it's like having a will, so everything is written down.
Absolutely. Everything should be written down, and everybody should know what their role is. And sometimes a shared role is very important, because it's a huge burden if one person takes this on. And so writing it down, sitting down, making that plan, putting that plan into action. And once crisis occurs, now you have the time to sit with your loved one in the hospital and be there for them, and not out running around and trying to organize things that you could have had that plan ahead with. So,
well, great advice, Nurse Jackie. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Next time, we'll talk about what to do when your loved one comes home from the hospital. And for more information, visit bayshore.ca. Keeping you informed, I'm Sheila Clark, and you've been watching Daily Web TV.